my name is Jessie Adams. I'm a hairstylist in Costa Mesa, California. I've been doing hair for about 10 years now. Come with me to the salon as I get my client summer ready with some fresh highlights, some tip outs, and a smoothing treatment. We're gonna be doing the most today. She's been going a little bit more natural the past few appointments, so today we really wanted to step it up. It's summertime, it's getting hot out, so she was feeling ready to brighten it up. And let's get right into it. So we decided we're gonna do a partial with tip outs. Here I am mixing up a bowl of 20 volume lightener as well as a bowl of 10 volume lightener. I do this with all of my clients with hair lighter than a level 5. I feel like the 10 around the face is just a really great way to ensure no breakage. I'm going in with a classic partial highlight, and because she parts her hair down the middle, I'm just taking the sectioning as traditional as it gets. And I'm pretty much taking micro slices through the entire head. If I were to do baby lights, you would still be able to see the line of demarcation between her roots and where her solid blonde ends are. And I know I talk about this a lot, but people are so afraid to take slices, but if you take them fine enough, it's not harsh and it grows out super beautifully, so try it. This is a pro tip. You can see the grasp that I have on my weaving comb right there. When I was learning in school, I had a teacher that would stand behind me, and if I set my weaving comb down on my tray between foils, she would tell me to pick it back up. And basically she was like, if you are setting down and picking up your weaving comb every foil, you are unintentionally adding so much time to your highlight application. So if you are trying to like cut down on your application time, try this tip out. Do not set down your weaving comb. So now you can see I am working up the side of her head, and on the hairline I always start with a baby light with 10 volume, followed by a slice directly off of that baby light. If you are looking to get more of that solid blonde look, especially around the face, try to either take a textured weave or even a baby light, but just take it directly off of the previous foil, and this is going to make a big difference. You can also see here how tight I'm packing in my foils. Since she wants to go quite a bit lighter, we're not leaving much space between. We want to brighten this shit up and really make it pop. Here you can see I am starting to apply her tip outs, and because she has such fine hair, each side section I only have to do 2 tip outs, so I'm just kind of splitting the section in half and then doing a baby light and back combing so it's very blended out. And this is just going to help us lift out some of that previous toner or any mineral buildup on her ends so that they can really pop and be that like bright white creamy blonde color. I only had to add 6 tip outs total. I did 2 on each side and then 2 down the mohawk section. And here is what she looked like when we were done with all of her foils. We had a quick coffee break while she was processing, very exciting. For her root smudge, I mixed up an 8N Redken Shades EQ, and I love this neutral, bright root smudge for my blondes. It's kind of like a barely there root smudge where like it makes the grow out so much more seamless, but it's still really bright to the root. Here we are applying it. I always like to start at the bottom of my back section, and I call this a baby tap, which is basically just like a 1/2 inch root smudge. We let that sit on for about 7 minutes, and then we got that rinsed out, put on her all over toner, which was 10P 10GI in Redken Shades EQ. And then we started the smoothing treatment. So she gets this about twice a year, and it just kind of relaxes her curls a little bit. She's able to wash and go a little bit more easily. Here's us trimming it afterwards. It looked so bomb, and here's the finished look. We were both so obsessed with how it turned out. I couldn't get over how much brighter the ends felt with those tip outs, and the root smudge is perfect. The money piece is perfect. It was just perfect. I was so obsessed with this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel for more salon education content, and I will see you again here soon. Thank you so much for watching.